Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can switch to a baby in Adopt Me. This is for beginner. I made this video for a beginner, first time user or first time play this game. So here, just simply click dress up. Now show my avatar, then switch to baby, and here we go. So this baby is thirsty, so you have to fulfill the your needs, your baby needs. So here we go. Let's try to find a restaurant to drink, or you can feed your pet, also feed yourself. Here we go. So this is for pets, so you can feed your pets. Only pets can use this to eat. Let your pets eat first before you, and after that let fulfill your need as a babies. Here you go. So this is a where you come to get adopted. I already have a family, but I'm just here looking for a friend and so on. And let's find a drink to the babies, or if you want to switch back, it's very easy. Go back to dress up and click switch to parent. Now you go back to the parents mode. So my pet is a smell bad, so we have to go home to take a bath. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.